Join Free Tours by Foot and Top Things to Do DC as we explore the Natural History Museum. Picturing a dinosaur in the main hall? Okay, that's New York. But the Smithsonian Natural History Museum in DC is one of the top museums, and it's free to enter, no ticket required. The Natural History Museum is located on the National Mall, near the American History Museum, Air and Space, and the National Gallery of Art. And all of these places are included in our free Things to Do in DC post. Find out more in the link below. You can enter through the National Mall or Constitution Avenue side, but for wheelchairs or strollers, you'd need to use Constitution Avenue. You'll be met with the information booth for any questions or to grab a map. Here you'll also find the cafe if you need a bite to eat first. There are escalators and elevators throughout the museum to get between floors. First, let's head up to level 1. This is where you'd enter if you came in through the National Mall. This is our Great Hall, the rotunda with the giant elephant. You'll also find information booths here. There are a variety of exhibits in the Natural History Museum. On level 1, you'll find the Ocean Hall. Keep an eye out for the live coral reef and a giant whale hanging above you. At the back of the Ocean Hall is the entrance to the Human Origins exhibit, where you can meet a Neanderthal and weave your way through human history and into the Mammals exhibit, a personal favorite. Be sure to see the often missed white rhino. This particular one was collected by Teddy Roosevelt himself. You'll also see lions, tigers, and bears, oh my. Head back into the rotunda to access any of the stairwells, the elevator, or go to the Ocean Hall for the escalator to go up to level 2. Find the insects, where you can get tickets to go inside the butterfly pavilion, or just sneak a peek from the outside. Another easily missed but fun aspect of the insect zoo is the bee tunnel. You can see the hive inside the exhibit, but the clear tunnel leads outside. Maybe you saw some of these same bees on your walk here. Be sure to have a look at the mummies before you head to the Dinosaur Exhibit. Now, the main Dinosaur Exhibit is closed for renovations until 2019, but you can still see a Tyrannosaurus Rex and peek into the fossil lab. Last but not least, visit the gems and try to see the Hope Diamond. It's always crowded, but just behind it in the other room is an equally impressive stone, the Dom Pedro Aquamarine. These are only a few of the things to see at the Natural History Museum. Want to know more about these highlights? Well, we offer guided tours of the museum, as well as tours of sites all around DC, such as the National Mall and Capitol Hill. Find out more in the links below, or visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com. Check us out in all our cities, and subscribe here for the top things to do in DC.